Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Astro Chandrika YouTube channel. I'm Sailaja. I have been learning astrology for the past 6 years and I'm very passionate about the subject. We have learned some fundamentals in the previous videos and now let us look into some more fundamentals which are useful for delineating a horoscope. For delineation of horoscopes, the fundamental things which are required to be understood are the significations of rashis, bhavas, and planets. What do we mean by signification? Signification means a planet, bhava, or sign represents a particular karakatva, like sun represents father, first bhava represents self, so on. Even rashis have certain karakatvas for each sign. As we know, there are 12 signs of zodiac and also there are 12 bhavas in a horoscope, starting from the ascendant or lagna. As first bhava represents self in a horoscope, in the Kalapurusha Kundali or the natural zodiac, Aries is the first bhava. Slowly, we will try to understand the significations of signs, bhavas, and planets in sequence in a series of videos. Today, we will see the significations of some of the signs beginning from Aries. Aries is represented by ram. A ram is a quadruped animal, means which is having four legs, and the mode of rising is Pristodaya, means it would rise with the back hind legs. The sign is movable nature and it's a fiery sign, and being the first sign of the zodiac, it is odd sign. It is also masculine in nature, and the direction it represents is east. The guna is rajasic and kshatriya in nature. The lord is Mars, and so the rashi is a malefic one. The part of the body represented by Aries is head, and the ascension of the sign is short. The persons or the elements live in the places represented by Aries are forests, snake holes, and mines. And the color is red, as the ruler is Mars. Lord is Mars. And the positive traits are quick and practical, and the negative traits are bad tempered, hastiness, and headstrong. The Purushartha represented by this sign is Dharma. It is a lunar sign and it is strong in night. That is, it has got Ratri Bali. So now moving on to the second sign of the zodiac, which is Taurus or Vrishabha, represented by the symbol of that Rashi is Bull. So Bull is again a Pristodaya sign, means it moves with the hind legs, and the Lord is Venus, and hence it's also a benefic Rashi. It is a fixed Rasi with direction represented by south. It's a female sign and the element is earth. The guna is rajas and varna is vaishya. The body part represented by Taurus is face, and it is also a lunar sign. Taurus represents farmlands, cowshed, fields, and the color is white. The ascension is medium and the positive traits are practical and forgiving, Negative traits are domineering and they rage like bull. Now moving on to the third sign, which is Gemini or Mithuna. It is represented by a couple, a male and a female, and it is a jewel sign as the symbol is shown. And the tattva is, it's an airy tattva, the element is airy, and the gender is male. It is a tamasic a sign with in Shudra Varna. And the planet ruled by this Rashi is Mercury, and it's a malefic sign. The mode of rising is Shirshodaya, means which rises with the head. So it is also odd sign, being the third in the zodiac, and the direction represented is west, and it represents Jiva. The body part is shoulder, and the sign is with long ascension, and the Purushartha is Kama. The positive traits are, it is diplomatic and good speakers, learned, and you can also see some negative traits like lacking concentration, hastiness, jewel mind. And it is the motion is biped, like only two-legged motion, and the appearance is smooth, and it's a lunar sign with which is strong in night, having Ratribali. And the color represented by this is green, and the residence is villages, parks, city and town, like where all the people live in, as it is represented by people. So now coming to the fourth sign of the zodiac, Cancer or Karkataka. It is the fourth sign of the zodiac, hence it's an even sign, and the Lord is Moon, hence a benefic sign. It is represented by, the symbol is crab, and the mode of rising is Shirshodaya, means with the head. And the tattva, the element is water, and it's a movable sign with direction representing north. And the constitution is dhatu, and the guna is sattvic, and varna being Brahmin. The color represented by this sign is reddish brown and pink, and the Purushartha is moksha. Okay, the motion is centipede, as it is represented by crab, and the appearance is smooth, and the body part represented by this sign is chest. Positive traits are, the people in this sign would show the qualities of nurturing, sociable, sacrifice, and the negative parts are being self-centered, secretive in nature, and vengeance. So, and it resides in hidden holes and places as crabs live in. And the sign is a lunar sign, being strong in night, that is having Ratribali. Okay, thank you, viewers. Let us continue the other signs in the coming videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.